To be able to purchase courses on behalf of a learner, you must first ensure you are set up on the Hub to do so. You can do this by selecting the Employer option in the drop-down on the Sign Up page. You will then receive an email inviting you to register on the Hub. Log into the Hub with your username and password. Paste the two-factor authentication code, which will be emailed to you. Locate the course test catalog tile. Add the Health, Safety and Environment test to the basket by selecting Add to Basket. To add renewal CPD courses, select the Order Course button. When choosing categories for renewal tests, you can either use the search box to find the category, or scroll down and select the checkbox for the categories that are up for renewal. You can select as many categories as required. Select Next. Then select Checkout. You will be taken to your basket. Check the items are correct and select Checkout. On the checkout page, you will be given the option to enter the test recipient's email address. If they are not registered on the Hub, they will be invited to register and sign up to the Hub. Enter your payment details. You may also have the option to pay by invoice if you have requested it to be set up. Select Confirm and Pay. You will see a pop-up notifying you of successful payment. You will also receive a confirmation email of which items you have purchased. The learner will receive an email inviting them to log into the NOCN Hub.